Hi everyone, I'm Dipanjali
I'm Đức.
I'm Jaffna.
And I'm Isha.
and we're team P2509. Our project is called AI, the Encyclopaedic Polyglot Machine. It's a RAG-based AI chatbot that we've built.
So we built a multilingual AI RAG chatbot that supports 7 languages. It's not just translating, but also retrieve and generating response from pre-selected academic resource based on the language to give a more accurate answer to different culture.
This project is based on real challenge. Most AI tools today provide answers on generic knowledge, mostly trained on English data, which limits how different culture and language interprets knowledge.
To address this issue, our chatbot provides more accurate and encyclopedic responses that are relevant to culture and language. This enables a user to explore how ideas differ across different knowledge systems, promoting deeper understanding and global awareness. In this video, we'll demonstrate our project to you from a user and admin's perspective.
I will take you to the user interface. So the first page that the user lands on is the login page. They have to register first. If they haven't registered, they can click on register and fill in their details. So once filled in, they are taken back to the login page again. So they have to enter their details again. And now they're taken to the chat interface. Here, the user can select the query type is either generic or encyclopedic. User can select a model and language. So now I'm going to ask what is freedom in generic mode. Let's wait for the response. You can see the response from the bot now, which is very concise and it has answers from the general knowledge. I'm going to start a new chat and ask the same question again in encyclopedic mode. And now you can see the answer is by descriptor and that bot has used our internal data resource. It has also referenced our source here. Moreover, if the user wants to rename the chat, they can rename it. And if they want to delete the chat, they can click on delete here. And if the user click on profile on top, they can see their profile information, they can change their password, and they can also see the recent activity. And if they want to log out, they can just click on their name and click on logout.
Now let's look at the admin user management feature. In our system, admins have full control over managing the user accounts. You can also see the registered users and the role. So once you see that, you can also add a new user. For now, let's make a simple account. Let's skip the email for now, put up a simple password, and let's set a role as a normal user. Once we do that, you can see the new user have been shown in this dashboard. So you can also edit the role. For now, let's put it as admin now. Once we update the role, you can see the role have been updated and we can also delete the user. So this feature ensures that access can be managed efficiently as the platform grows, keeping everything secure and organized.
So I will talk to you about the language management part. So as you can see on this screen, it shows all the existing language it has and all the document in each language. Under here is the total number of language and total number of document. So to add a new language, you can press on this button. You can go here, scroll down, choose any language you want, and then you can you need to upload a PDF file to support the language. So I'll just choose my one. And then after you add language, it leads you to the language management page. Over here, you can see all the added language and the vector store. So vector store is is it ready for the system to use all the documents. So if it's ready, it's gonna have a green and ready button. If it's not built, so nothing is built and ready, so no document is ready to use, it's gonna have the not built and need rebuild, which means you need to update the vector for the if you're adding a new document over here. So to rebuild the language, there's a button over here. You can just press it and wait for it to rebuild based on the document size. It takes quite a while for it to rebuild. So, and also if you want to add a new document to existing language, you can press on the document, upload document, or you want to delete the document, you can also delete it from here. And you will also have to press rebuild vector store. So for example, if I want to delete Hindi, I can also press it out here and delete. Just delete the language and it's gonna be gone from here. And also up the top, you can also add a new language from here or rebuild all vector store. So if you have a lot of language to rebuild vector store, you can press this button. And that should be it for the language management side.
And now I will take you through the system architecture for our project. I have a front end, a back end, and an external component. In the front end, we have the admin dashboard and multilingual web UI for the user to chat. In the back end, we have a LangChain pipeline that has sentence transformer, ChromaDB, Ollama runtime, chat history database, and a query router. And in the external component, we have this encyclopedic sources, which is Wikipedia for our case. When the user makes a query, we route it through our query router and we pass it through the LangChain pipeline. The system first retrieves data from our local ChromaDB, and also it retrieves data from external Wikipedia resources. Our model is served through Ollama runtime, so the model combines this local vector store information as well as the external information with its general knowledge to provide more accurate response to the user. We have this sentence transformer that helps us rebuild our ChromaDB whenever the admin adds a new document. And that's how our AI, the Encyclopaedic Polyglot Machine system works. Thank you.